In this video, we will create a form that collects user input and sends it to our email. For this, we need only HTML code, which we will copy from our website and we will complete it within a few minutes. No PHP, JavaScript or any other backend code required. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for similar videos. You can find the link to this website in the description. Let's explore this website. And it's very simple. You are going to create a folder. So you can just see form submit. This is going to be folder. And I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay. You can install this Visual Studio Code. I am just having one of the video for Visual Studio Code how you can install it. And if you don't have any Visual Studio Code, you can also use a notepad. So you are having alternate option. You can use any other ID as well. First thing you need to create here a file, and that is going to be index.html. So it's going to be index.html. Okay, and you are going to hit the enter button. Now here you need to create a boilerplate. Okay, so you can just say here exclamatory symbol and you are going to enter. All the boilerplate is going to be ready for you. Alright. Now here's the one thing, if you talk about extension, so I'm having a live server. You can just get the live server extension, or you can just get the another extension as well. You can take this 5 server extension which I am having right now. So live server 5 server, which is latest one, so you can just use this as well. So it is going to update, it is going to work same as live server. Okay, mostly you might be having this. If you don't have, no problem, you can just move manually inside this file and you can just run it from here. Okay, if you are using a notepad or you are not going to download any extension, it is going to work for you. So but here you need to refresh it again and again. Now here coming on the Google, you are just going to say that form submit. So you will get this website. You are just going to click here. Okay, and after clicking here you can just see easy form and first. So this is all the docs which you can read and which will help you as well. So if you want to add any specs, the first thing, if you want to connect this form, you are going to have this field, so text email. So I'm just going to copy it and we're just going to see. So let's copy this and paste it over here. Right now what will happen, I'm just going to have a live server, or okay, we are having a file server, so we are just going to on it. So if any changes, I'm going to make it here. It is simultaneously update the HTML page as well. Okay, right now we are having this one field, so you can just take it. So one thing I'm just going to do, I just want it at center. So nothing else I'm going to do, no any CSS. I'm just going to add here the center tag and I'm going to cut this, and after the completion of this form I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so Control C and Control V, you can use it for copy paste. You can just click right and you can just say format document. It will be automatically having all the paddings, and here you got this at the center. Okay, I'm just going to use some BR text. So BR into, okay, I just want 4 times, so it will be from top. I will just get it little bit padding from top as well. You can just see margin as well. Okay, let's take it move. So I'm just going to add one more 4 BR text. Okay, and it will make me fine. Okay, fine, it's fine. Nothing else, you can just write here, you can just write here, you can just send here, and that's all. And here you can just see you are just going to add your email over here. So for this I'm just going to use my email. You can use your respective email. So after adding your email, so what you are going to do, okay, right now what I'm going to do, I just want it on the new line. I'm just going to add here one more BR tag. Okay, if you want more input, okay, right now I'm just going to have little bit inputs. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. To recommend you that use the placeholder. You will say your name. Okay, so you will be able to see that what is you need to enter here. So you can just enter your name. For example, I will just say something. Okay, something just okay. I will just zoom this and that's all. So I will just remove for right now these things, text which we don't want. And here I'm just going to say instead of email, type your email. So we are just going to say a placeholder and it is going to be email. Okay, or enter your email. Okay, you can just write what you want or what you want to show to your user, and here my spelling is mistake, so please ignore it. So right now you can just see your email and your name. So right now I'm just going to write here rising era. Okay, just era I'm going to write, and the email, okay, this one only, same email, and I'm going to send it. Okay, after submitting, what will happen, it is going to say that check your email, this needs an activation, and here you will say that activate form. That's all, form is activated, and let's enter the name. So we will have the same name, we will have the same email, and we are just going to say send. Please help us find spam. Okay, so you are going to say I am not a robot. and that's all, the form was submitted. Two new messages you can just see here in the in your email. Name is given, email is given. Now it's very simple to create this. You can use it in your resumes if you are going to create your portfolio website. So over there you can just use these forms if anyone wants to send you any mails, to send you any message. So over there you can just use this form. Now when you are just created this, you can just use a chat GPT and we can make it more better. So let's try this also. So I'm just going to say Control A. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to give a prompt to chat GPT. Thing else for this form, UDDON, and we're just going to say okay, now my spelling mistakes will be there, and I'm not provided any code, so I'm just going to provide it. It is going to work for me. So until it is working for us, we are going to create a CSS file, or you can directly connect it here as well, but we will have a proper CSS file. So we will say style.css. So here there will be all of the things, and here we are just going to move below title. I will just say link, and here you will have the CSS option. So you're just going to enter, it is going to work for you. Okay, style.css is the file name. I'm just going to copy the code. I'm just going to win style.css and paste it, nothing else I'm going to do. And just moving back to this page, it is going to automatically update it for you. Okay, I just said the animation. Okay, here is the hover effect. I think we will just give it name as elite coders. Okay, and this is another channel, you can just visit it as well. You can just search for YouTube and Elite Coders Club, you will get one more channel. I'm just going to click here send. You can just see Elite Coders and the mail. Disable recaptcha, so you can disable this. So I'm just going to copy this code for this and I'm just going to move here, and in HTML page what we are going to do, we are just going to place it anywhere. So I would like to place it below this placeholder, so I will just say here enter. We are just going to paste it, and the mail is going to be same. I'm just going to send. This time we don't have to click on that. The form is submitted. All these things are fine. Form submit allows you to upload files as well to your form natively. File upload allows you to collect information. So you can just do this as well. Now if you want to create any page, that thank you page for the user, so you can just see here. By default, after submitting a form, the user is shown the form submit thank you page. You can provide an alternative URL. If you guys are new to the channel, please get subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.